Ladies and gentlemen, Shaka Ilembe Season 2 Episode 2 is about to air on Mzansi Magic. So, I want to share with you guys a few things that you can expect from the show this week. So, stay tuned if you're interested. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So episode 1 ended with Phungashe destroying yonke imfuyo yakwaNobamba, kanti ke uPhungashe konke lokho kwenziswa ukuthi uShaka killed his grandson uBhakuza, who is a brother to Shaka. So ngemuva kokubulawa kwemfuyo yakwaNobamba, uShaka decided that he's going to give uPhungashe the war that he is brewing. And on this week's episode, uShaka of the Zulu Kingdom and uPhungashe of the Buthelezi Kingdom go to war. And I think we all already know the outcome of that war. Shaka will obviously defeat the Buthelezi king and send one of his trustees to go and rule that kingdom. Remember that Shaka's mission this season is to conquer all the surrounding Nguni kingdoms and form one nation, which is the Zulu nation. He's doing all of this with the help of Udingiswayo, of course. And speaking of Udingiswayo, I deeply feel that Udingiswayo is going to die this season. I mean, Zwide is way ahead of him, and no matter how calculative and smart Dingiswayo is, he can never defeat Zwide's tricks. So, those who watched episode 1 this week will know that Usomveli, the son of Dingiswayo, was released from Ekudunkomo to go and spy on his father. Ukwenzela ukuthi kube lula for Zwide ukuthi azi yonke into eyenzekalayo oyengweni. So Zwide and his mother uNtombazi send uNtombazana oyindodakazi ukuphela kwayo kaZwide ukuthi iyoheha and seduce uDingiswayo so that she can tone down Dingiswayo's strength. And if uDingiswayo akasenamandla, lokho kusho kona ukuthi kuzoba lula from uZwide ukuthi amnqobe empini. Okuyindlela uDingiswayo azonqotshwa ngayo uZwide. Kodwa ke that won't happen on episode 2. It will happen as more episodes air. I'm not sure which episode. In all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that and more is what you can expect on Shaka Ilembe Season 2, Episode 2. I will come back with the review of Episode 2 after the episode have aired. For now, comment on the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.